Matplotlib, how to plot a high-resolution graph. I've used Matplotlib for plotting some experimental results, discussed it in here, looping over files and plotting. However, saving the picture by clicking right to the image gives very bad quality, low-resolution images. Example graph of what I'm looking for, example graph.
You can use savefig to export to an image file. In addition, you can specify the p argument to some scalar value, for example.
Use plt.figured p equals 1200 before all your plt.plot ... and at the end use plt.savefig ...
For future readers who found this question while trying to save high-resolution images from Matplotlib as I am, I have tried some of the answers above and elsewhere, and summed them up here. Best result, plt.savefigfilename.pdf. And then converting this PDF to a PNG on the command line so you can use it in PowerPoint. Top PNG are 300 filename.pdf filename. Or simply opening the PDF and cropping to the image you need in Adobe, saving as a PNG and importing the picture to PowerPoint. Less successful test number 1, plt.savefigfilename.png, d equals 300. This does save the image at a bit higher than the normal resolution, but it isn't high enough for publication or some presentations. Using a p-value of up to 2000 still produced blurry images when viewed close-up. Less successful test number 2, plt.savefigfilename.pdf. This cannot be opened in Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016, so no PowerPoint, same with Google Slides. Less successful test number 3, plt.savefigfilename.svg. This also cannot be opened in PowerPoint or Google Slides, with the same issue as above. Less successful test number 4, plt.savefigfilename.pdf. And then converting to PNG on the command line. Convert density 300 filename.pdf filename.png. But this is still too blurry when viewed close-up. Less successful test number 5, plt.savefigfilename.pdf. And opening in GIMP, and exporting as a high-quality PNG, increased the file size from 100 kilobits to 75 MB. Less successful test number 6, plt.savefigfilename.pdf. And then converting to JPEG on the command line. Images jfilename.pdf filename. This did not produce any errors but did not produce an output on Ubuntu even after changing around several parameters.
You can save your graph as SVG for a lossless quality.
For saving the graph, matplotlib.reparmsavefig.p equals 300. For displaying the graph when you use plt.show, matplotlib.reparmsfigure.tv equals 100. Just add them at the top.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.